Alright, so my toilet has been running constantly, so I'm gonna change the flapper. I have the Amazon Corky 3-inch universal. It's a large. Make sure you have the large because there's the different sizes. And also, if you check the toilet over here, you see over here the model is the Glacier Bay N2428T. If you flip the package over here, you see Glacier Bay N2428T. Also, there is a setting over here if you need to set it at 7. Okay. So first thing what we do is just we shut off the water. Flush the toilet. And the old one should pop up. Set this one aside. Package. Set it aside over here. Connect the chain. Make sure you adjust the chain over here, we're leaving some slack, and then it should just there you go. Now it's all in place. Turn the water on. It's gonna take a little while to fill up. Once it fills up, then you just do the process backwards. You just flush the toilet and see how it goes. There you go. And that's it. Voila.